Hello everybody. Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the wiper switch in here. So let me show you how it look like. So you see the wiper is working properly, but when you click on the washer pump not come out. I already diagnosed it. The pump still work properly, no fuse blow. So I read the winding diagram could be circuit from the switch. It doesn't have the power go directly to the pump. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. Okay, the tool required is number 5.5 millimeter socket and a T10. All right, so let's get it started, guys. So first of all, we need to remove the screw. They have 3 screws down there. Okay, it's 1, it's 2 and 3 on the side. Okay, let me remove it. It's a very simple, the job is not that hard. Okay, but the hard problem is diagnose it. Need to find out why the washer pump not working. Fixing not that hard, but find the problem. Yeah. Okay, one screws out, and let me remove the second one. The wiper work fine, but the washer not come out. Yeah, after you remove 3 screws out, it's time to remove the steering cover. Once again, guys, it's hard to put the camera. Remove the cover. It's a very simple, guy. Open it. You see the cabin here, and open the other side too. Before you open it, just remove the cover in here. Shift the cover. It's out right now. Come out. See it? It's a cover. And we have 2 screws in here. We use a T10. One second, let me put the camera in one place and bring the tool. We use T10, guys. Okay, it's the screw in here. They have 2 screws, one on the top and one on the bottom. Just remove the 2 screws out. One on the top and one on the bottom one. A little bit hard for me to carry the camera and okay, one second, let me hold the camera in one place and take out the screw. Alright, so after you remove the 2 screws, I'll just pull it. Just pull to the side. This one is a old switch. Here, you see the washer fluid switch in here. So this one, let me show you the part number, because some viewer asked me about the part number. Okay, it's original part number from the monograph is SW-7016-1X. So it's a part number, it's the original part from the Ford. Alright, so let me pull the new ones out and install it. Install is very simple, just plug and play. Okay, just put in and push it in. Okay, after you push it in, install the 2 screws in here, one on the top and one on the bottom. Okay, so let me tie it. This job is very simple, very simple and easy to do it. Okay, so before we put everything back on, just test it, make sure it works. See it? It's sprayed out right now. See, this is a switch problem. Alright, so if everything works right now, the next part I'm gonna put the cover back in. The plastic cover on here, very simple, just put it. Put on one side, make sure the other side go into. And just clip it. This is one. It's two. This is it. So the next, we just install the 3 screw on the bottom. Bottom screw in here. 1 second. And one more is the second one, and the last one is the third coming. It's a very easy job, guys. You can try it at home, but as long as before you change the switch, you should check all the fuse and the pump, the washer pump. You have to check those, make sure it works first before you decide to replace the switch. Hello? Yeah. Hello? Great Honda Civic bong, give me one more day. This day is the last day. I cannot find it. I'm done with it bong, because like this car is related with the computer box. I cannot do anything to it, okay bong. Lâu nhung chỉ nhung try the circuit person chỉ biết mình circuit tiết tế nhung thưa ba này cũng chua đó đỏ bong vô tắc lại kia mình thứ ba. Yeah. And the last just tightening the screw on the bottom and more, and the third one here. Okay, so let's turn the key on and make sure it works before. You see it? It's working right now. Okay, this one is how to replace the wiper switch. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. And like I say again, okay, before you replace the switch in here, you should check all the like the washer pump, make sure all the fuse good, then the last chain, replace the wiper switch. Okay guys, thank you.